Hello all, welcome to Rapid Flow Knowledge Center. This is Rajendra Kumar, HCM Principal Consultant from Rapid Flow. In this session, we are going to see a widely used functionality in Oracle Cloud recruitment module, that is job requisition functionality. The agenda of this session going to be, we are going to cover job requisition process flow, create job requisition details and submit the job requisition. Here is the process flow and scenario for job requisition functionality. A hiring manager will identify requisition needs and create a job requisition from scratch and sharing the job requisition to recruiter. Recruiter is going to add additional details to the requisition and submit for the approval. This is going to be a login page, look and feel of Oracle Cloud application where user can enter username and password. And he'll be coming to the My Client Group work area. We'll be clicking on hiring icon. So this is how we can create job requisition in this page by clicking add button, and we'll complete all the job requisition details. Let us go back to the system and see how this functionality will work. Enter username and password, click on sign in. Once you log into the system, click on My Client Group and hiring icon. Here you have something called add. From here you can create a job requisition. I'm clicking on add. You have to select requisition type, whether it is going to be standard or pipeline. Standard refers to the standard only which we are using right now, and pipeline will be future positions we are creating in the pipeline. And we have to select the template here and requisition type. So you have a couple of types, whether it is going to be a campus hire, contingent worker hire, executive, hourly, professional. Based on your requirement, you can select the recruiting time. And primary location you can select here. So you have a list of values here. You can select the particular job is used in which location, and here you have to select the requisition template. Requisition template gives complete information of the job requisition detail it is holding, location details, salary details and so on. So before you create job requisition, you have to get the job requisition template. Click on continue. It will take to basic information page. Here you have to give your requisition title. Let's say I want accounts manager job. I wanted to create accounts manager. I want it for 5 openings. Here we have a chance to enter the number of openings. I'm entering 5 and give a basic justification. Is this going to be a new position or it is going to be a replacement? Let's say I said this is going to be a new position and select language, and in comment section you can write as you required, like need accounts manager for XYZ location. Click on continue. You have to give hiring team information here. The hiring manager is responsible for complete this job requisition, and you can give recruiter name who is responsible for this recruitment. He will create recruitment activities and all. So there will be a list of values. You can select a hiring manager and you can select recruiter, and if you wanted to assign a collaborator also, you can give the collaborator information, so that now hiring manager can access this information, recruiter can access this information, and collaborator also can access this information as and when they can modify it. Click on continue and give requisition structure in next page. So this is the page where we can give requisition structure. You can select the organization, for which organization your position is going to be vacant, and it is taken already primary location because already we have given location in previous screen. If you wanted to enter other location also, yes, you can enter. This particular opening is for these 2 locations, and you can enter optionally. You can enter job family. Let's say I want a accounts manager. The job comes under in accounting family, and you can enter job function as well. Let's say I want this for customer service or human resource. I'm entering. Click on continue. Upon giving this all information, it will take you to the details page where you have to enter detailed information about this requisition. This is the place where you can identify this requisition is going to be regular or part-time. Let's say I want this position to be regular, and whether it is going to be full-time or part-time, I am selecting here it is for full-time employment. And for this position, basic education requirement what I feel is, for this position I want a bachelor degree, so that I can select minimum bachelor degree, which can appear while candidate is applying. Here is a place where we can enter minimum and maximum salary information. Maximum I say I need 40,000 for this, and minimum is 20,000 I am going to offer. Then click on continue upon giving all the details, which can take you to work requirement page. Whether this position need travel requirement or not, I can say yes, he has to travel a lot for this position, and whether he is willing to relocate or not. Yes, I want a person to relocate to my location, and this is the work days we have to enter, whether the particular job or position going to be Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday or any as per your requirement. And here is the place where you can enter work duration. Let's say I want this position for 2 years. Whether you can enter in months also. So based on your requirement, you can enter this work structure details. Here is the page where we can enter posting description. This will appear when candidate is applying. This is for internal and external. Internal means when internal candidate is applying, he could be able to see this job description. Compared what is the job description and responsibilities, he can see this is customizable as per your requirement. Even you can change. If you wanted to post it as an external also, you can check this checkbox so that it will be available in client website under career section. You can see this complete job requisition. Click on continue, where you have to enter offer information, and this particular job position is going to be under which legal employer. Let's say I wanted this position for US legal entity, and my business unit going to be US business unit, and it is going to be in business unit US department. My primary work location is going to be Chicago, and you can enter the job. This position is related to which job. Let's say I want this for accounts job. Click on continue, and upon giving all the details, it can ask if you have any attachment. You can attach here. So generally company may have their policies document attached against the requisition. Here is a chance you can attach your document, and click on continue, which can take your configuration page. This is candidate selection process. Every company have a unique process in selecting their candidate, so you can define that candidate selection process and attached here. And you have an external application flow also. When candidate is applying in your website, what flow he has to follow. Okay, when not posted, you can select no only, because after posting only he will be able to apply on this position. Automatically filling requisition yes or no, you can select no and click on continue. So this is the page where we can enter questionnaires. So internal questionnaire, if you wanted to ask anything who is applying internally, like how many years relevant experience you have, so on many questions, up to 5 questions you can ask here. And external pre-screening questions also you can ask who is applying from your website. And interview feedback questions also, if you wanted to ask with a candidate, you can ask interview feedback questions. You have to define these questions and you have to attach here, and you can click on submit. Upon entering all the details, you can click on submit. So now we have submitted the information. Our job requisition ABC Accounts Manager is ready. So this is how we can create our job requisition in the system. Thank you so much for watching this video.